Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking, and if you're a first timer, please welcome and don't forget to subscribe. Guys, today I'm here with yet another interesting video, but a hair video. So guys, I just want to encourage you, or rather to ask you, to at least learn how to do your own hair. Can you see how I tried to do my flat twists? Guys, this is my work. It's actually my third time trying to do this, and I'm improving. They're not that perfect, but at least I'm trying. So my dear ladies, you need to learn how to do them, because you might find yourself in a situation where you do not have a salon around, or other salons might be quite expensive where you are. So you can do protective hairstyles, you can do braids and stuff like that. So start right now to learn how you do it. So I ordered this wig online. It's an Afro wig. It looks so big, but it's very light. So we're just going to try it directly. Yeah. Let me first of all put on my wig cap.